Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video, I will show you how to fix apps that no longer have access to your camera or photos after the iOS 18 update. So let's get started. Open the settings on your phone, scroll down and find the privacy and security option from there. Tap on photos and choose the app you want to give access. Select full access, add photos only. Like this. Here you can see the full access option. Depending on what you need for camera access, ensure the toggle is turned on for the apps you want. Then if it doesn't work, if the app isn't showing up, try a force restart by press and hold the volume up button and down button and press and hold the side button until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears. Once the logo appears, slide down to restart your phone. This reloads your phone's software and fixes most software issues. Then, if some apps still don't have access, delete and reinstall them. This will prompt the app to ask for permissions to access your photos or camera again. For reset all settings, go to the settings of your phone, tap the general option from there and scroll down and find the transfer or reset iPhone option from there. Tap the reset option, then choose reset all settings option. This won't delete any of your data but will reset your settings, which might fix the issues. Once that's done, go back to privacy security option like this. And from here, tap on it and check if everything is set up right. I hope this helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you next time.